Yeah, I got a great video for you. Kylie tasted the macaroni. It's really good. So you're gonna see me make it. So make sure you subscribe and like, because why not? Because it's cool. And follow my Instagram, ChevyKevMusic. That's literally as simple as it gets. Bye. We're going to be making the world's best macaroni. I'm not using my camera because I don't feel like editing. So I'm just gonna use my phone. Can't just see. The eye is on. This, I bought it. So it's Winko. So money saver, me. My parents, they would have bought that fancy Kraft macaroni and cheese, but not me. Starting to get a little bit of a boil. Light working? Nope. Now it's boiling a lot more. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit, but not gonna let it evaporate. Alright. She did it. He did it. It is boiling. I'll see you in a few minutes. It's boiling real good. While that's boiling, I want to show you something. That perfect macaroni and cheese. If Coffee watches this, I can upload that other video because my computer don't be working right now, but it's all good. Got that beautiful cheese sauce. I just stirred it and add a little butter so it didn't stick. I think it'll be good. It's cooking with Kevin. Turn it down. Small boil. Stir that stuff. Yeah! By the way, school started. I just tried a noodle, and I think it needs a little bit more, tastiness. So I'm gonna go for so this is 1. So 1 minute. I'm gonna let it go for and now let me try one. It tastes actually perfect, so I'm gonna get the strainer. It's all drained out. Let's put the cheese in. That is the milk. I added a splash of milk because why not? It's good for you, I guess. Let me add some butter. Wait, I haven't opened one. Alright, here's the opened butter. I put the other one back. Let me get a little swivel of it. So after all the work, this is the end result. I'm gonna have Kylie come taste it. Kylie, come taste it. Okay. Taste it. She's the macaroni tester. Try a fresh piece. Is it good? Okay.
It's perfectly
cheesy and everything?
Yeah, and it's not too hot or too cold.
Oh, okay. That's what it looks like on the plate.
You know what else you missed? Mr. Protein Shake across the street just bought a
It's a modeling job. Best macaroni on the planet. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure that you like. Bye, 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 bye.